students, welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the question number 7 of class 9 of chapter 12, exercise 12.2 for CBSE NCERT. So question number 7 says a kite is in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle of 8 centimeter and sides of 6 centimeter each is to be made of 3 different shades as shown. Okay, how much paper of each shade has been used in it? So we need to find out that how much paper is used for each shade. Okay, so this is a kite shown over here having a square of diagonal 32 centimeters. So 2 diagonals are there in the square, both the diagonals are equal. So 32 centimeters is this and the diagonals bisect each other. So this is 16, this is 16. So let us mark this kite to be A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, and also in the bottom we are having isosceles triangle having 2 sides to be 6 centimeter each and the base of that triangle to be 8 centimeter. Okay, so we need to find out how much paper is required for each of the shade. Okay, so this is the first shade, this is the second shade. Let us consider this shaded portion to be first, this is to be second which is empty, and this is to be third. This is to be third. So for the first shade it forms a triangle ABC and it forms a right angle triangle to be ABC. So we can easily calculate the area of the right angle triangle. That much paper is only required for this shade. So the area of the right angle triangle is given by half base into height. So let us write down first the regions. So region of first shade is the triangle ABC. Okay, then region of second shade is triangle ADC, then the region of third shade, the region of third shade is the triangle DEF. So the first shade, so the area for the first shade, area of first shade will be equal to half base into height, half base into height. So the base we already know is 32 and height we can take as 16 because both the diagonals bisect each other. So when the diagonals are bisecting, the whole diagonal is 32, so it will be bisecting 16 and 16. So the height here we can mark it as O over here, the meeting point of the diagonal. So it will be equal to half base will be AC and height will be BO. Okay, so it will come out to be half base is my 32 and BO is my 16. Okay, so it gets cancelled. So I'll be getting to the 16, 256 centimeter square. 256 centimeter square. So for the shade first, 256 centimeter square paper will be required because in the question they have asked us how much paper of each shade. So for first shade 256 centimeter square paper will be required over here. So now let us find out for the second shade. So the area for this of second shade, area of second shade will be equal to area of the triangle ADC. Okay, so area of second shade will be equal to area of triangle ADC, that will be equal to half again base into height because here also it is forming a right angle triangle over here making a 90 degrees over here. Okay, it is making 90, 90, 90, all 90 degrees over here. So again it will be equal to half, base is again my AC, and height will be OD. Height will be OD. So again the same values, 16 and 32 I'll be putting, and I'll be getting again 256 centimeter square. So for the shade second, I'll be getting 256 centimeter square as my answer. Okay, so now let us find out area of third shade. So it will be area of triangle DEF. So triangle DEF is isosceles triangle, so we can find out with the help of Heron's formula over here. So we'll be finding out the semi-perimeter first. So the semi-perimeter will be 6 plus 6 plus 8 upon 2, that will be 20 upon 2, that will give us to be 10 centimeter. So the semi-perimeter we are having. Now we can find out the area of triangle DEF by Heron's formula. So it will be equal to under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay, so AB are equal to be 6 centimeter as given in the question, and C is equal to, so my A and B, side A is equal to B is equal to 6 centimeter and C is equal to 8 centimeter. So let us put over here. So I'll be getting over here S is 10 minus 6, again 10 minus 6 and 10 minus 8. Okay, so here from here I'll be getting over here 10 into 4 into 4 into 2. So I can make the factors of 10 as 2 into 5. 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So I'll be getting in the under root 2 into 5 into 4 into 4 into 2. So one pair of 4 I am getting and one pair of 2 I am getting. So I need to find out the square root. So ultimately I'll be getting over here 5 will remain in the under root, and outside the under root I'll be getting 2 and 4. So my answer comes out to be 8 under root 5 centimeter square. So for the shade 3, the paper which I'll be requiring, which be used for making the kite, would be 8 under root 5 centimeter square. Okay, so all the 3 answers we are getting over here. If they say in the question that find the total paper required, so you need to just add all the 3. So the total area will be 256 centimeter square plus 256 plus 8 under root 5 centimeter square. So I can find out the total area also. I'm just writing over here in case it comes in the question, you can find out the total area also. So the total paper can also be find out required. Total paper will be equal to 256 plus 256 plus 8 under root 5 centimeter square. This is the total paper required. So it can be written as 6 plus 6 will give me 12. 5 plus 5 is 10 and 1 11. 2 plus 2 4 and 1 5. 5 1 2 plus 8 under root 5 centimeter square. So this is the total paper required, and individually paper required for all the 3 shades are 256 and 8 under root 5 centimeter square. So in this manner you need to proceed such type of questions. Okay, so thank you. So please subscribe my channel, please share my videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.